Welcome to QuoteBooks CRM, the first and only CRM software designed by manufacturers for manufacturers and distributors. A traditional sales software ecosystem typically involves a CRM platform for customer and contact management, a quoting software tool to generate proposals, and a spreadsheet or database to house and manage all part and pricing information. QuoteBooks CRM combines all three of these functions into one user-friendly platform. Now let's dive into QuoteBooks. Each time you or your team members log into QuoteBooks CRM, the first thing they will see is the dashboard. The QuoteBooks CRM dashboard provides an interactive snapshot of all recent quoting and revenue-generating activities, such as deals closing within 30 days, 90 days, and 12 months, upcoming events, tasks, and sales-related activity, as well as recently created quotes, contacts, and companies, and opportunities segmented by stage. We will now walk through the process of creating a lead, converting the lead to an opportunity, and creating a quote from that opportunity. Let's begin by clicking Create Lead to create a lead name and lead contact. We will then select our lead source for tracking purposes. We select the appropriate company, assign a lead conversion probability, and add a brief description highlighting any notes from the initial engagement. We then click Save and view the lead we just created. From within the lead detail page, we first update the lead stage and add any additional team members who require visibility of the record. Once we are confident our lead has become a dollar revenue opportunity, we click Convert to Opportunity and fill in our expected close date. Notice as we convert this lead to an opportunity, QuoteBooks automatically populates the company and contact information. After converting the lead, we are now in the Opportunities section of the workflow. Notice that within the Opportunity Detail page, we can manage the opportunity stage, any associated quotes, and all sales activity related to the opportunity. To create a quote, we first begin by clicking Create Quote and associating an opportunity. Once inside the quote, we first select our shipping delivery date, Ship to Company, and Ship to Contact. In the Quote Details section, we now begin adding parts to our bill of materials. The advanced part search capabilities of QuoteBooks allow users to select from specific price lists, manufacturers, and product lines. Additionally, QuoteBooks allows users to merge multiple line items into one single solution. We can customize display preferences on our quote, include additional options, add related files, and provide quote-specific notes. Once completed, we click Save to preview an HTML version of our new quote. From here, we can edit the bill of materials and layout of the quote, email the quote, view the quote in a professionally branded PDF format, or download the quote for future use. Notice how the professionally branded PDF quote includes logos, a hero image, ship to and bill to information, both a summary and detailed line item breakdown with thumbnail images, and terms and conditions automatically included on every quote. To complete today's demo, I would like to highlight some key features our customers love about QuoteBooks CRM. The Map tab provides users with the ability to filter and identify prospects through associated quotes and opportunities, specific parts quoted, and any lead source or marketing campaigns. With QuoteBooks CRM notifications, sales reps can receive alerts related to their book of business. Lastly, users can create and save custom filtered reports, which are available for a CSV download. Many of the features I've demonstrated today are available in the QuoteBooks CRM mobile app, where you can manage your opportunities and even generate quotes directly from your iPhone or Android mobile device. If you would like to learn more about how QuoteBooks